4 distinct faces, flawless AI choreography, and perfect lip sync. You are in the right place. Let's hit it.
Lights out. Lights out. Watch us rise. Step in the dark, I'm the spark that ignites. Violet shadows on my blade, yeah, I cut through the night. Metal on my shoulders, heavy crown, never light. Every word I spit is venom, every bar's a fight. Can you feel it pulling you in? Can you feel it pulling you in? The floor is shaking, let the chaos begin. We're glowing in the dark like neon sin. Hold your breath, here we go again. Back out, we own the night. Neon fire burning bright. Move in sync, we are the light. Break the dark. Cold like silver, sharp like steel. I don't follow rules, I make them real. Wolf eyes watching from the throne. Every step I take, I claim the zone. Spin the floor, let the rhythm take control. Body moving faster than your soul can hold. Golden light reflects off every turn I make. Watch me break the pattern, watch the whole stage shake.
Hey everyone, welcome back, Nova here. Today we're building a complete K-pop dance video entirely from scratch. We'll cover everything right here. We're generating the music, designing 4 unique group members, setting up the choreography, and rendering the final shots inside Seedance 2.5. I'll show you exactly how it's done and share some simple tricks that make a real difference for getting perfect lip syncing. Okay guys, for this project we're using Topview Canvas. It keeps our ideas, references, scenes, and generated videos all connected in one visual workspace. You can also add different skills over here, like workflows for AI filmmaking, content creation, or product videos. For this one, I'm just going to create a new project from scratch. What's good is how the video agent and the canvas work together. First up, we pick the model we want to use. Then, I'll outline the idea for the music video. I'll describe the type of music we want, plus the members' appearance, fashion, personalities, and the overall visual vibe. Okay, once I approve the plan, Topview automatically queues up the music and kicks off the generation. But there's one important setting to change. Before anything generates, I want to review the prompts to check the style, characters, and camera direction. So I'm just jumping back into the chat with the video agent to ask it to show me the prompts first. Okay, with our music ready, we need to trim it. Seedance 2.5 handles up to 30 seconds, so pick a section under that limit. Let me show you how. Just click Trim right here and select the part you want to use. You want to cut it at a natural point, without interrupting the vocals, beat, or melody. An awkward cut makes the final video feel a bit off. For the best flow, pick a section that starts and ends between musical phrases, like a clear intro or a natural beat transition.
Lights out. Watch us rise. Step in the dark, I'm the spark that
Okay, so Topview just generated our characters based on the description we gave it. I wanted to tweak it just a bit, so I asked the agent to shift the overall color to black. Here is the final look. We now have 4 distinct members: the leader, the main dancer, the rapper, and the vocalist. They each have their own unique personality and style, but they still look like they belong in the exact same group. Honestly, I really love how they turned out. And remember, the best part of this is just enjoying the creative process. Okay, let's jump back over to the video agent and ask it to write the prompt for our very first scene. This part works a little differently. I'll show you the final result first, and then we will backtrack step by step. Take a look at the prompt the agent just generated. You can see how it automatically pulls in our characters, the background, and that trimmed audio as direct references. The video duration is set to 28 seconds. Before we hit generate, we just double-check that the characters, the environment, the choreography, and the camera movements are exactly what we want. Once everything looks solid, just click generate.
lights out. Watch us rise. Step in the dark, I'm the spark that ignites. Violet shadows on my blade, yeah, I cut through the night. Metal on my shoulders, heavy crown, never light. Every word I spit is venom, every bar's a fight. Can you feel it pulling you in? Can you feel it pulling you in? The floor is shaking, let the chaos begin. We're glowing in the dark like neon sin. Hold your breath, here we go again.
There are two simple things we can do to improve lip sync and choreography. First, we give the agent exact lyrics and their timestamps. AI doesn't always hear music the way we do. It knows a song is playing, but it might not know exactly when a specific word or beat hits. So instead of letting it guess, we just give it the timing directly. First, search online for a lyrics extractor. There are plenty of tools that transcribe your song and create timed files, like SRT or LRC formats. Just upload your music file and select the language. Give the extracted lyrics a quick review to make sure they are accurate. Once that looks good, download the timed file and upload it straight into the Topview agent right alongside your music. Now, when it comes to the choreography, there's a really important concept to understand. AI agents and LLMs, like Gemini or ChatGPT, don't actually hear music the way we do. They can't feel a beat drop, catch the snare hits, or sense when the energy changes. So, if we just tell the AI, make them dance to this track, it's basically just guessing the timing.
To get much better choreography, we have to step in and give the agent a clear map of the music's structure.
This kind of description tells the AI exactly when those big moments happen. But instead of writing it manually, there's a much simpler way. Just search for Music Analyzer online. You'll find plenty of free tools that can analyze your track and break down the exact structure, the BPM, and the beat positions, along with a nice visual of the frequency spectrum. Okay, as you can see, I've now uploaded the spectrum for this track, and now the agent actually understands the beat. Now, all you need to do is upload the music, timed lyrics, and spectrum analysis, along with your choreography idea, straight into the agent.
Back out, we own the night. Neon fire burning bright. Move in sync, we are the light. Break the dark. Cold like silver, sharp like steel. I don't follow rules, I make them real. Wolf eyes watching from the throne. Every step I take, I claim the zone. Spin the floor, let the rhythm take control. Body moving faster than your soul can hold. Golden light reflects off every turn I make. Watch me break the pattern, watch the whole stage shake.
Okay, now I want to show you a really cool feature here. First, click Edit Clip here. If something goes wrong, you don't have to re-render the whole video. You can just regenerate the specific part you don't like. Let me show you how it works. Now drag to select the exact section that feels a bit off. Next, we write a focused prompt just for this segment. I'll add a couple of reference images directly from the canvas. From here, you have a choice. Generate just the selected part, or regenerate the full clip for a totally new version. As you can see, the credit cost is exactly the same. Once it all looks good, just hit generate.
Hip it down, heart down. We are our blackout. Burn it down, 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 down. Lights out, we never fade. Hip it down, heart down. We are our blackout. Burn it down, 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 down. Lights out, we never fade.
Okay guys, that's a quick wrap. I hope this breakdown was helpful. The nice thing is, once this workflow feels solid, you don't have to rebuild it from scratch. You can just save it as a new skill in Topview Canvas and plug in a new track or concept for your next project. Topview also has an ultra plan right now giving you 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5. The link is below if you're interested. So, the automated system got confused and flagged my video with a pretty wild imagination.
It's just like a fun quarry!
It completely froze my reach. If this helped, a quick like or comment means the world right now to push past it. I truly appreciate you guys being here. Reading your comments, especially when I feel low, really keeps me smiling and feeling hopeful. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.